out to all my brothers in Libya. Listen, let's get it. እቲ ዘይስገር ሰጊሩ ፍትዋቱ ክኸውን ዝሓረፈ ኣብ ሰሃራ ብተዛረብቲ ኣዛብእ ተኸቲሩ ሓሳቡ ዝተቖልፈ ብመግረፍትን ብጥይትን ብጥምን ብጥሜትን እናተገርፈ ይትረፍ ዶ ሳዕሲዒት ጽላለ ስምዒት መግቢ ዘይስገር ስራሕ ደይተርፍ ጽናሕ ዶ ይበሃል እዩ ዝተተኽለ ኣብ ሴፍ ሕጂ እምበር ዘየዳሓር ሎ እምበር ደይጽባሕ ክሳኪ ተቐንጠበ ዓፅሚ ፋሕ ከይበለ እቲ ዘከኣል ንግበር ተብተብ ንበል ውሉድ ወለዶ ሕፍረት ከይጉልበብ ኣይ I don't know what it's like to be in Sahara. I don't know what it's like to be in Libya, but I know what it's like to have someone there. Eritreans suffering everywhere. They say they're on earth, but they're on hell. They say pain is a prison, let them out of their cell. People are insulting me, thinking I don't care, but they don't know me that well. Sitting in my room and I yell, knowing Eritreans still ignore them, only helping Facebook sell. Social media is the start of the answer, but don't think you did enough after posting their picture. We're losing loved ones on a daily. If we don't act now, it will get worse. It keeps killing me, it keeps hurting me. Once we are in a good place, we forget what we left in the back. I'm writing this song with tears in my eyes. My people out there, I feel your pain, I feel you. I know you're far, but I still hear you. Hear your pain, feel children dying, feel mamas crying. Ay. People are dying, people in pain. We don't have time, we need to act now. The longer we wait, the more lives we lose. Everyone hear me clear and loud. It's more than a song, it ain't commercial. It's a calling, let's be in one line. Ay, I want my brother saved now. I want my sister saved now. Things are getting hard, life is getting worse and it's getting sore. I have no one there, still I feel like I have everyone there. I'm not opposing your ways, I hope God answers my prayers. But why would you leave them? How could you ignore them? My music is the only way I can be heard. The music is the only way I can face my pain, face my stress. I want my people saved, I want my people in a better place. I won't settle for anything less. I feel like I'm weak and I can't help. I feel like I'm paralyzed. I feel like we're losing our humanity. Where is the love, where's the unity? Forget about fame, forget about money. You can even forget about dignity. This everyday news is driving me crazy. I'm close to insanity. This ain't just a song, I'm just trying to put on for my country, put on for my loved ones. I'll make my voice heard whenever I get the chance. I won't sleep until I see my brothers free. To be related doesn't have to be from the same family tree. I hope God gets my calling, cause that's the only thing I can do now. Reaching out to God, I hope he gets the message. They say God never wrong, but like Joyner does, I feel like he done done some mistakes. Innocent kids dying and yet the evil live. Too much sadness, too much grief. Father, please forgive me, for I not know what I do, but for the sake of innocent children, I'm reaching out to you. People are dying, people in pain. We don't have time, we need to act now. The longer we wait, the more lives we lose. Everyone hear me clear and loud. It's more than a song, it ain't commercial. It's a calling, let's be in one line. Ay, I want my brother saved now. I want my sister saved now.